In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on any password that you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock and tap on Edit button next to the delayed one. Following that, you need to change whatever you want to, and when you finished, discard your changes by tapping on this X on the left or save them by hitting Save on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!